Are you turning 65 soon? Then you have a lot of choices to make. You have questions about your Medicare plan options? I know it can be very confusing. After all, if you're like most of us, you get tons of things in the mail, mountains of mail. You get the telephone calls, and then you get ad after ad after ad on television. Again, it can be very confusing. We want to help you take the stress out of your Medicare decisions. Watch our informative, no-hype video and make informed decisions. We can help you find the best plans in your area. Then once you watch the video, you can schedule a no-cost, no-obligation review if you'd like at MedicareWithoutStress.com. Don't make any Medicare decisions until you see this video. Again, that's MedicareWithoutStress.com. My name is Doug West. I'll be happy to work with you on it. I've helped many seniors. Visit my website now, MedicareWithoutStress.com. Thanks for listening.